What are the best benefits of using Premiere Pro Editor? Premiere Pro is a popular video editing software that provides many benefits to its users. Here are some of the key benefits of using Premiere Pro. Number 1. Professional level features. Premiere Pro is a professional-grade video editing software that provides a wide range of features and tools for editing, color correction, audio editing, and more. It offers a comprehensive set of tools that are typically used by professional video editors and filmmakers. Number 2. Integration with other Adobe tools. Premiere Pro seamlessly integrates with other Adobe tools like After Effects, Photoshop, and Illustrator. This makes it easy to switch between different tools and create complex, multi-layered projects. Number 3. Multi-format support. Premiere Pro supports a wide range of video formats, including high-resolution formats like 4K and 8K. It can also handle different frame rates and aspect ratios, making it easy to work with footage from different sources. Number 4. Collaborative editing. Premiere Pro allows multiple editors to work on the same project simultaneously, making it ideal for collaborative projects. This feature is especially useful for teams working remotely or in different locations. Number 5. Time-saving features. Premiere Pro offers several time-saving features like keyboard shortcuts, presets, and automation tools that can speed up the editing process and increase productivity. Number 6. Flexibility. Premiere Pro provides a lot of flexibility in terms of customization and personalization. Users can create custom workspaces, save presets, and configure the software to meet their specific needs. Number 7. Accessible for beginners. Although Premiere Pro is professional-grade software, it is also accessible for beginners. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, and there are many tutorials and resources available online to help new users get started. Overall, Premiere Pro is a powerful and versatile video editing software that offers a wide range of benefits for video editors and filmmakers.